now it's time for the shed clear. Now that I've got the new roof was fitted on Sunday, and I've backed some spiders. Right, so that's the shed emptied. I've just realised I forgot the long-handled broom, so I'm just going to sweep down all these ancient cobwebs, and then I shall give it a spray with some disinfectant, and I'll return tomorrow and sweep it out. So, God knows how many years worth of spiders is in here. The spider's starting to escape now. Go to my shed. This will only kill them, it'll just encourage them to leave. Right, so let's get this shed finished. I brought the broom. A 1.2 metre square raised beds. Garden shells up there. Disinfectant there for cleaning, which I'll do more eventually. Cloche hanging up. The hoops. Probably put another bench at the back. I've got a chest of drawer plus in the polytunnel. I'll probably bring in here. I'm also going to bring in one of the shelving units for the polytunnel as well. Give myself a bit more space in there.